Good evening, student. In today's videos of reflection of light, we are going to discuss question and answer from NCERT textbook. The first question is from exercise, and it's question number 10. The question is: an object 5 centimeter in length is held 25 centimeter away from a converging lens of focal length 10 centimeter. Draw the ray diagram and find the position, size and nature of the image formed. क्वेश्चन में कह रहा है एक ऑब्जेक्ट है 5 सेंटीमीटर लेंथ का and it is held 25 centimeter away from a converging lens or converging lens, but obvious we are going to know what the converging lens means. It is a convex lens. Convex lens है तो converging lens of focal length 10 सेंटीमीटर और 10 सेंटीमीटर की फोकल लेंथ है, तो हमें ये पता कर रहे हैं कि मतलब इमेज कहाँ बनेगी एंड कैसे. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट दैट. Let's solve the question. Object distance u, that is minus 25 centimeter. Object height 5 centimeter. It is above the principal axis by sign convention. Focal length plus 10 centimeter. Because एक ही साइड में लेंस फॉर्मूले पे आते हैं. According to lens formula, 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. It is just different from the mirror formula in the plus sign between v and u. Now 1 by v is equal to 1 by f plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 25, and when we're going to solve this we will get 3 by 50. And now proceed on next page. It is equal to v is equal to 50 by 3 and it comes approximate 16.67. Positive value shows that image formed on the other side of the lens, means दूसरी तरफ बन रहा है. Now we will going for the magnification m. m जब देखेंगे तो इज इक्वल टू v बाई यू, तो 16.67 अपॉन माइनस 25 इज इक्वल टू 0.66. इमेज रियल बनेगी. m इज इक्वल टू नेक्स्ट फार्मूला ऑफ मैग्निफिकेशन, हाइट ऑफ इमेज अपॉन हाइट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट, and we have height of object but not height of image. We will find magnification now. Magnification into height of object is equal to 0.66 into 5 is equal to minus 3.3 centimeter, that is inverted image. And by this ray diagram we will going to see it is a convex lens. Its focal length is 10 centimeter and the object is placed at 25 centimeters, so it is placed beyond second focal focus. One light ray parallel to the principal axis pass through focus, and second light ray pass from optical center, and where these two light rays intersect each other, this is the point where the image is formed. This is image is 25 centimeter and this is image is 16.67 centimeter. Now come to the next question. It is again from NCERT textbook, question number 11. The question is concave lens. It is a concave lens, means it is a diverging lens. A concave lens of focal length 15 centimeter forms an image 10 centimeter from the lens. How far is the object placed from the lens? Draw the ray diagram. क्वेश्चन क्लियर है. क्वेश्चन में कह रहा है कि कनकेव लेंस है जिसका फोकल लेंथ 15 सेंटीमीटर है और वो इमेज बना रहा है 10 सेंटीमीटर लेंस से. ओके, हाउ फॉर इज द ऑब्जेक्ट प्लेस्ड फ्रॉम द लेंस. ऑब्जेक्ट जो है लेंस से कहाँ पे रखा जाएगा, एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड ऑल्सो ड्रॉ द रे डायग्राम. Focal length f is equal to minus 15 centimeter. Image distance v is equal to minus 10 centimeter, as we all know. In case of concave lens, the image is formed in the same side. Object distance we have to find according to lens formula. We're going to use 1 by v is minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f, and we have to find 1 by u. Then we will use 1 by v minus 1 by f. Now put the values in that. 1 by v is equal to minus 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 15, because the formula we used minus 1 by f and the value of f is in negative, so minus minus plus. 1 by u is equal to minus 6 plus 4 upon 60. When we're going to solve this, it will become upon minus 2 by 60 and u will come minus 30 centimeter. The object is placed at the minus 30 centimeter from the lens by the sign convention. Now we will see the ray diagram. इट इज़ अ कनकेव लेंस. ऑब्जेक्ट रखा हुआ है फोकस पे, बिकॉज 2f1 पे ऑब्जेक्ट रहेगा, because f is 15 centimeter and the object distance is 30. It means object is on 2f. uh, Apply the rules of formation of image that is parallel to the principal axis appears to pass from the focus. So ये focus in this light is on focus, and the second is from the optical center. It will go without deviation, and when where these two lines intersect, that is the place of the image. So image is virtual, erect, and diminished, and it's formed in the same side of the lens. Now come to next question. It's question number 17. And the question is, a doctor has prescribed a corrective lens of power 1.5 D. D is diopter, the unit of power. Find the focal length of the lens. हमें लेंस का फोकल लेंथ फाइंड करना है. इज द प्रेस्क्राइब्ड लेंस इज कन्वर्जिंग और डाइवर्जिंग. जो प्रेस्क्राइब्ड लेंस है वो कन्वर्जिंग है या डाइवर्जिंग, मीन्स वो लाइट रे को कन्वर्ज कर रहा है एक तरफ, एक पॉइंट पे ले आ रहा है, या डाइवर्स कर रहा है, उसे फैला दे रहा है. Power of a lens, we have formula P is equal to 1 upon F. F and is in meter. Power is a power जो हमें given है वो कितनी है, 1.5 diopter. Now F, we have to find F. F is equal to 1 upon 1.5, and for our convenience we will use 10 by 15, and we are going to solve this. We will get 0.66 meter. A convex lens has a positive focal length. We all know that a convex lens has a positive focal length. Hence, it is a convex or converging lens. Thank you, students. You may also solve examples from books, and solve other questions too. And if there is any problem or any doubt, just ask in the comment section. Thank you.